Hello, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today's video is going to be a thrift video. I went thrifting, and Lord Jesus, I'm telling you, more and more people are kind of catching on to thrifting, because now when you go to them stores, they are packed. I mean, seriously, like I went and I was just shocked how many people was in the Goodwill, the Salvation Army, and the thrift stores. So I was kind of like, wow. You know what I'm saying? I was shocked. And it's hard to find stuff because so many people are catching on. So it's like they're going to the thrift store now. So the thrift store is like harder to find stuff because there's so many people, like, you know what I'm saying, just there. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of people are going thrifting now because of the pandemic, and you know, people wanting like cheaper prices, cheaper, you know, not even cheaper prices. People just don't want to go and get this fast fashion that they have. So yes, y'all, let me stop rambling and let's get right into this video, because I probably will not do a try on portion just because I don't really feel like trying on these pieces. I have my reasons, and it's personal reasons, but like I said, I would prefer not to kind of try on these pieces. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, the first piece that I'm actually going to show you guys are these cute pants that I got. I thought they were so cute. So, gave me like 80s vibes, but they're cute. So cute. Like, legit. So cute. I thought they were so cute. I thought, you know, I can probably really, you know, do some good with these. And the brand is One Dream One Wish, and they're a size 8, so I hope I can fit them, because I'm like a size 6 now, so or 6, 7, so I hope I can fit these. So we will see about that. But and they have the belt. It's like a little, I can change the belt out, but this is the belt that came with it, which is pretty cheap, but hey, like I said, they're cute. All right, you guys, the next item I'm going to show you is this bra thingy. It zips. It's like a little workout bra. It unzips, and you know, I just thought it was cute to work out in, because I do plan on starting my workout once I make a decision on something. Don't really want to discuss that either, not yet, till I know for sure. But yeah, so this is going to be cute to work out in. It's just a little zip up, cute little top. In the back there's a little like bra thingy, but this is actually a workout top, and I do not see the tag, so I can't give you a brand or a size or anything because there's no tag. So the next item I'm going to show you guys are these cute jeans that I found in the bin. They were all like distressed, and I just love that. I love that look. I don't care. To me, it doesn't get old. I like that. I don't even know the brand. Let's see. Revolt is the brand, and they're in a size 35. So yeah, these are them. They're super cute. Yeah, and to be honest with you, right now I haven't really been into jeans like that, just because of my weight loss, you know. So I like something to fit like more so on the booty really good and make the booty look nice and stuff like that. So I haven't been wearing a lot of jeans. I've been more so into wearing leggings, like with long shirts or sweatpants and like a crop top or something like that, because you know, I'm just not that excited about my little booty right now. The next item I'm going to show you is this beautiful shirt. I don't know, you can wear this as a dress or a shirt, and the brand is No Mo. What? Look, I'm trying to say it. I don't know. And it has pockets on the sides, pockets on each side, which is very awesome. I don't know if I would wear it as, I don't know if I would wear this as a dress, depending on how long it is. I'm not really, I don't know. We'll see. So, I don't know, because I could just wear it as a dress. It's a long sleeve, of course, so yeah. The next item I'm going to be showing you guys are these beautiful shorts. I thought these were so cute. I don't know, I just thought they were cute, the color. They're by Lonna Anderson collection. So yeah, I thought these were so cute. I can see wearing these in the summertime. Hopefully they're not too big. The material is very soft and silky is so beautiful. And I just love these. When I seen these, I said I gotta get them, because if they're a little too big, and I can always sew them to make them fit. Next item that I'm going to show you guys is this vest. This is a vest that I just thought was so cute, and this is a vest that I'm going to do a thrift flip on. And it had it got the birds and the leaves. I just thought it was so fun. Like, I don't know, but I'm thinking about cropping off this whole bottom portion here, because I don't really like that, and then turn it into a, you know, like a cropped vest. So that's the plans for this. Hopefully it turns out right. So yeah, that's the plans for this, because I just don't like the big, it's so big. But when I seen it, I said I could really turn that into something that is really cute for summer and wear it like by itself or something like that. So I just thought that this was a really cute piece. I found this cute little white top. It doesn't have a brand. Oh yes, it does. It's by H&M, and it just buttons up in the front. Great for summer, great for like layering and stuff like that. So I just thought that this was just a cute little piece to have in your wardrobe. Once I steam it, of course, it'll look better. Next item that I'm going to be showing you guys is this beautiful black crop top. It's by Leith. I just thought it was cute, the detailing of the straps. I just love the thin straps, and I just thought it was so cute for layering as well, or even wearing by itself in the summertime. So this is so cute. With this, I had plans to add some patches to it, because I love it, the fact that it has these straps, but I thought it would take it up a notch by adding some you know, adding some little pieces to it, some little patches. So that's going to be a thrift flip as well. The next item that I got from the outlet was this beautiful bathing suit for the summer. I thought it was so cute. I just had to get it. I really loved the different pattern, like the way they did the flower, and then it went into the stripes. I really love that. And then the peekaboo part here, just so cute. Like, I just said, you know what, I'm gonna need that ASAP, so I had to get that. The next item that I found was these cute jeans. They're by Bandolino jeans, whoever they are. The material is very soft. I wish you guys could feel it. They're skinny jeans, of course. I just thought that they were so cute. They have the little detailing on the pockets. I just thought that they were really cute jeans. Like, I just thought that they were so cute. And then when I touched them and they were soft, and it's like I just had to get them because they were soft. So yeah, the item that I found are these jeans here. They are by yeah, they're by Levi, and they are the 535 leggings. They're like the jeggings, the jean, but they feel like jeans. They don't even feel like jeggings, and these are Levi. And it's so weird because they feel like a jean. It doesn't even feel like a legging or jegging or whatever they said they are. They feel just like jeans. So they're very jeany, if you know what I mean. The back pockets are cute. And I just thought that this was like a cute buy. I'm not really, like I said, into jeans right now for other reasons, but yeah. The next items that I got was this cute jogging like sweatsuit, I guess. It's by Misty Valley Sport. I just thought it was so cute. It has the valley on the, I just thought it was cute. The colors, very summer, very, very cute. And then I got the pants to go with it. So these are back in now. So I was so excited to find this. I was super excited to find this. This is the back. These are the pockets. The pockets kind of just unlatch. And then they have the drawstring. I definitely am excited to wear this because I love those little outfits. The next item that I found was this beautiful Pittsburgh Steelers blanket, throw blanket. I just thought it was so cute. I could not leave this behind. Like, this is so cute. You have to be a Pittsburgh Steelers fan to kind of understand. So if you're not, then sorry. But yeah, this is, and it's so big. Like, it is like literally legit. Like, I'm trying to fit it in this entire camera, but yeah, it's not doing it justice. I'm a Pittsburgh Steelers fan, and to find this, that was a score. I have 2 more items, and like I said, I didn't get much this trip because there's so many people in there that it's like I'm not gonna be in here long. That's what I be saying about. So I'm like just going in here, looking and getting out, because this is ridiculous how many people is in here. But while I was in there, I found this beautiful cup. It has not been used at all. I mean, this cup is basically brand new. I actually found it when I found it when I was in the line ready to check out. And it was just sitting there like, grab me. And it says, as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Joshua 24:15. And it says home. I just thought it was so cute, so big. And it can, I love cups that you can put in the microwave and you can put in the dishwasher. So this is one of those cups. I was super excited to find this cup. This was definitely a score for sure. The next and last item that I found was this little photo fix bag for my camera that I'm filming on right now. And I'm so excited about this bag because when we're out and we want to take the camera, like if we're vlogging or just out of town or something, I can put my camera in this little thingy here and put my SD cards in here and yes, go. So I really was super excited to find this in the Goodwill. I thought that it was perfect, and yeah, so I was super excited to find this little bag. And it fits my phone. I mean, it fits my phone. And it fits my camera perfectly. It's like it was made for my camera. So it's very beneficial. So I won't break my camera. Because even though I have insurance on it, them things are expensive to fix. So, like I said though, this was the last item. Appreciate you guys watching this video today. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And also remember, when I say this at the end of my videos, I say it because a lot of us bring a lot of people with us where we're trying to go and they're not meant to be there. And not only that, some people just they want to suck the life out of you, which is doing no benefit, bringing no benefit to you. So that's why I say this at the end of my videos, so you can feel free if you have this kind of situation going on in your life. If you've been told maybe you should let this person go, and let that person go. I've been told this a few times by different people that know certain things, but in my own life. So that's why this saying is something that I say at the end of my videos. And here it is. If they serve you no purpose, if they're not bringing anything good to your life, but you're bringing everything great to their life, let them go. Let him go, let her go, let them go, period. And you guys have a blessed day, week. Just be blessed, and I appreciate you guys for watching today, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.